Just another quick video to make sure you know how to navigate the online textbook and get to the different things that we are using. I will log on. Every student uses the same username and password to log on, and the username and the password are the same. Your instructions in item 8, module 1 were to take a look at problems 1 through 29 in the online text, chapter 1, lesson 1.3. So I'll go to the online text, and we are still in the first part of the course. I will go to chapter 1, 1.3, and the instructions are to go to page 31. We may want to increase this a bit. We'll take a look at page 31, 26. We can just go to page 31, I think. Let's try this. 31, go. We are there. You were instructed to work on problems 1 through 29 odd. So please transfer these problems onto a piece of paper. Show all of your work. And then to check the answers with these and make sure that you are proficient, we can go back to the table of contents. We can go down to selected answers, and we can find 1.3 practice, and we can take a look and make sure we're on the right track with these problems. And if we are struggling, please come in and see me or take a look at the videos that have been posted in the item in the module in Canvas. Thanks.